In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country or region settings in the Alibaba app. This simple process will allow you to personalize your shopping experience by updating content and currency to match your preferences. So let's get started and walk through each step together to ensure you can navigate this effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to open the Alibaba app on your device. It should be readily accessible on your home screen or app drawer. If you're using an iOS device, simply tap the app icon to launch it. For Android users, it might be located within a folder or directly on your screen. Once you've located the app, give it a tap to open it up and wait for the app to load its home interface. Next, you'll need to find your way to either the profile or settings section of the app. Typically, you'll find this icon in the upper corner of the screen. It's usually depicted as a small human silhouette, a gear icon, or sometimes a small circle with initials. Tap on this icon, which will take you into your account settings. If you're having trouble locating it, check both corners of your screen, as Alibaba occasionally updates its user interface. After you're in the settings menu, your goal is to find the country, region option. This is where customization of the app experience happens. Scroll down the settings menu slowly if you need to, and keep an eye out for the option that specifically mentions country or region. This feature is crucial for ensuring you view the correct currency and product availability. Once you've located the country/region option, tap on it to open a list of available selections. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of countries and regions that Alibaba supports. Browse through the list to find your preferred country or region. If the list is extensive, use the search bar if one is available to quickly sift through the options. This search tool can be especially handy if you're looking for a less commonly selected location. When you found the country or region you want, select it by simply tapping on it. This action will highlight your choice and cue the app to prepare for this adjustment. Most importantly, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button, typically located somewhere at the bottom of the screen. Tap this button to confirm your selection, and the app will automatically update your content and currency settings to reflect the country or region you've chosen. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully changed your country or region settings within the Alibaba app. Your shopping experience should now be tailored to meet your preferences, ensuring that all prices are displayed in your selected currency and content is relevant to your geographical area. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful for optimizing your Alibaba app usage.